Okay, a bit of a different video today. I just kind of wanted to show you what the daily maintenance is here for the putting green. Now in the morning, obviously you can see there was some dew on the putting green. If I have time, I'll come out here and I'll just walk around the putting green and drag the broom around and knock that dew off. It's also kind of satisfying to watch. Every day it gets mowed, whether that's in the mornings or in the evenings. Typically for me it's in the evenings, it's when the sun's going down, it's when things cool off, especially in the summertime. I'll come out here, give it a good mow, usually a single cut. If I'm feeling a little more ambitious, I'll do a double cut, but I've been doing single cuts lately and it's just been looking fantastic. So after that's done, about every other day or so, I'll bring the mower out. I had been using the Time Master until I got the 60 volt super recycler. I'll make a couple of laps around the collar of the putting green and knock that down. That's at 1 inch, and that's actually been pretty nice to have there at that height. Now one other thing I've gone ahead and done today is I have put out the yellow and black flag sticks from Kingtop, and I've also added their red numbered flags. One thing that I've really enjoyed since adding the additional 2 holes to the putting green is that I feel like I'm actually getting the most out of it now. With only 2 holes, there's only so many different ways you can approach those holes, and having the 2 extra ones, I feel like I can use all of the putting green now a lot easier. So that's been a lot of fun for me. I've got the numbered flags out here because I want to play a little game. I will just tell you to bear with me and watch the video all the way until the end. But I'm gonna go ahead and putt now and just kind of play around a little bit and enjoy all the work that goes into this, because that's the most important thing, to be honest, is you need to enjoy your work, whether you have a putting green like me or if you just have a normal lawn. We put a lot of work into this and it's just important to enjoy it. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy it. Alright, there we go. That's really fun for me to do. It's just kind of a nice place to come out here and relax and just kind of be with my thoughts and enjoy the work that I've put into this, which is the main point here. Enjoy the work that you do and enjoy the results of the work that you do. So that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this one. Again, Kingtop flags and cups and flag sticks. Really nice, really fun. I like the numbers here too, because if you have friends over, or I have the kids out here a lot, we'll play games with these and we will score with the numbers or add up the numbers or pick which number to putt to. There's lots of different things that you can do. But it's a lot of fun for us. This has been a really nice addition to the backyard, and my wife even just said it's the best it's ever looked, and I couldn't agree more. If you have any questions about my putting green, how I did it, what I do to maintain it, the equipment that I use, anything here, please let me know and leave a comment down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.